cuối một hai ba. Okay guys, welcome back to tour in Saigon. So right now in front of us that is the Union Palace. Yeah, this palace was built in the French colonial time. Look fantastic, alright? So thank you.
This coffee shop attracts a lot of domestic, international tourists. This local place is also a historical place. In the past, the owner of this coffee shop is alias Mamla. So the government is doing that time in the south.
Welcome to Vietnam. Yeah.
Seems like everybody got around. I wonder how to sleep at night. When the sound comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why everybody's so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. Got it on your eye and to new your high that you can even have a good time. Everybody look to the left. Everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah. We paying a lot tonight. You know it's about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world then forget about the Friday and the bother, cha-ching, cha-ching, and the bother. Yeah, but playing, wanna make the world.
Think about free walking tour.
I think it's very informative and very interesting because I've learned a lot from you about your culture, and I've seen a lot of different places, all the historical, beautiful places.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay guys, so after the whole tour in Swiss with us, so in sketch and how many points you gonna give us?
11 out of 10.
11, that's so good guys. Yeah, so like I asked this guy already, so I have one really important question. Do you come back to Vietnam?
Definitely.
Thank you so much guys.
Only if you're our tour guides.
That's so lovely. Okay.
Hello, can I introduce you a little bit? So how can you know us? How can you know me?
I found you on Facebook, one of the Vietnamese travel guides.
So what do you think about our tour today?
It's been amazing, it's been a lot of fun, and it's been really good to see District 1.
Yes, thank you so much.